Now the fact that I'm alone is fucking comforting, and I can't seem to shake this fucking feeling in my...
Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to download GeForce 4 for free. So the first thing you have to do is download all the 12 parts and the crack. So after that, you just highlight all the parts except this one, and right click on it and click extract here. After it's done extracting, it will create a folder. Open it. It might take a while for it to extract. It took for me like 25 minutes. Just open the one that says GeForce 4 IGG and run the setup. Right. Here you just click next, next again, and next, and install. This will take a while because it will install the whole game. After it's done with the installation, you just click finish, and it will appear on icon over here. So here you just right click on it and open file location. Open this thing, it will open this folder. Here just click the crack open, highlight everything and right click on it and copy it. Here just paste it, replace the files, do this for all current items and click continue. So here you're officially done. You can actually start the game. This will be a small gameplay.
Former agency operative Rico Rodriguez. Up to this point, his whereabouts have been unknown since our withdrawal from Medici. Responsible for deposing half a dozen heads of state. The Black Hand have encountered him before in San Espirito, where he assassinated our employer, President Salvador Mendoza. We fought him again in Medici, where he overthrew Sebastiano di Ravello. Though the agency had some involvement, this is his handler, Tom Sheldon. We've learned Rodriguez's motivation for liberating Medici was personal.
You have briefed me on this man before, Commander Morales. We're preparing a test. Can we cut to the chase, por favor?
Of course, Senor Espinosa. Intelligence suggests that he is the son of Miguel Rodriguez.
My Miguel Rodriguez? Huh.
And he's here, in Solis, now.
So, that's my father's superweapon.
Project Tiapa.
He was a kind man, my father. A scientist. Doesn't make sense he would build such a thing.
My uncle was a good man too.
And they both ended up dead. Lots of questions, Time to get some answers.
You can't do this alone. I have people who can help us.
Mira, I've done this kind of thing before.
This is different.
I can handle some bad weather.
It's more than bad weather, Rico. If you would just listen to me.
Mira, a plan is a list of things that go wrong. I like to keep my list short. Just be ready. When I patch you into that console, you'll have to find Espinosa quickly. Answers my questions, we destroy Project IAPA. Plan.
Well, buena suerte.
Oscar Espinosa, better be ready to talk. Check.
Hear you loud and clear. I'm going to monitor your progress from a safe distance.
The road is walled off.
Can you get over it?
Okay. Where to now?
Those lights across the valley? Head towards them.
That's a big tower.
Espinosa promises it will change the world. No more tornadoes or hurricanes. And most of Solis believes him.
Project IAPA won't be a problem after today, Mira.
If your plan works.
It will work. Made it.
Bueno. Follow that piping. You're gonna come face to face with the Black Hand.
We've come face to face before. Heading up.
All units engaged.
We have to keep moving. They got the target.
Hostile hasn't re-engaged. Eyes open for further contact.
Weren't too happy to have me poking around.
The Black Hand are highly trained mercs, and they're wholly owned by Espinosa.
His own private army.
Pretty good one, too.
Not good enough.
Back to your posts. Target is gone.
No sweat.
all Blackhand. There is an intruder on site. Eliminate the hostile before the next test commences.
I'm at Project Iapa.
Rico, there's a console further up this structure. Not sure how you'll...
I'll figure it out.
Command, we have an intruder on site. Copy on hostile contact. Free to engage. All units, hold position.
Could use this vent to get me up there.
Find that console. You don't want to be out there when that case starts.
Almost there.
Lost visual on target.
Copy. We acquire target. Now.